Never think that your faith is something that you can separate from the rest of your life. It's not a sweater that you put in the closet on Sunday afternoon when you get in from church and leave it in the closet until next Sunday morning. Look at it as the veins and arteries of your body. You cannot live if you take those out of your body. If you're a person of faith, your faith, that's the bloodstream. And if you think you can live without it, you'll die. So always integrate it and be authentic in your faith. And I told him I've spoken on almost every Ivy League campus in the country. Harvard, Yale, Princeton, Brown, Cornell. And I told him, I said, I'm going to tell you, the education you're getting at Harding is every bit as good as the one that they're getting in the Ivy League schools. In some ways it's better because you're getting a perspective of a secular worldview. They are not getting the perspective of a Christian worldview. So you have the capacity to really examine and compare. They don't. And they're going to come out with a very narrow focus that is really left of center. And that's all they're going to be indoctrinated with. You're going to know everything that they've been told, but you're also going to know what a biblical standard is and how that contrasts. And I said, you're going to be better prepared to deal with a lot of the world than some of them will be. We can look back and we'll see some things that aren't that pretty in this country. And some of those things we can't fix. We can just make sure they don't ever happen again. But we can look ahead and do as our founders said, and that is to work toward a more perfect union. Recognizing it's not perfect now, that probably will never be perfect, but it will be more perfect as we commit ourselves to the idea of liberty.